Does a smoke detector still work after a fire? Well, today I have this one that was burnt, and let's see if it still works. I have this contraption built where this connects to a typical outlet, and the reason why is because I'm not going to have this plugged in my house. And this wire isn't connected because this is just used to connect to other smoke detectors. So let's see if it still works. Still nothing. Wait a second. It does work. There's still a green light on there. So yes, smoke detector does work after a fire. This is crazy. As you can see, the smoke detector is trying to go off right now, if you can hear it.